Welcome to Rigels.
For the next 17 days, we're setting out on a journey through one of the most remote and untouched corners of the Himalayas' Upper Dolpo. Far from roads, cities, and the comforts of everyday life, this is a land of towering mountains, ancient Tibetan culture, hidden monasteries, and trails that stretch beyond the horizon. Every day will bring a new challenge. Long hours of walking, high mountain passes, unpredictable weather, and moments that will test both body and mind. But beyond the challenges lie experiences that few people ever get to witness. Breathtaking landscapes, incredible people, and memories that will last a lifetime. This isn't just a trekking adventure. It's a journey into a different world where nature still reigns supreme and every step tells a story. So, whether you're watching from home or dreaming of your own Himalayan adventure, I'm glad you're here. This is our story. Let's begin.